In this video from Device Doctor, we will fix HP LaserJet 500 MFP M525 errors 49.38.07 and 99.39.67. Stay with us.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Here is the HP LaserJet Enterprise 500 MFP M525. First, you need to connect your USB drive to the printer. Make sure the firmware file is inside the USB.
Important: use a 2 GB or 4 GB USB drive. Larger sizes like 64 GB won't work. Also, copy the extracted firmware files directly to the root of the USB, not inside any folder, so the printer can detect them correctly.
To download the firmware file for this printer, follow the steps shown in this video. In the first step, go to Google and search for your printer model with the word driver. Open the first website in the search results. Now select your computer operating system and click on the Update button. Now open the firmware section and download the latest firmware. After downloading the firmware file, extract it using WinRAR. Then open the folder and copy the two files. Now open your USB drive and paste the two files inside it. This is very simple. Please make sure the files are not inside any folder. They must be placed directly on the USB drive. Now this is one of the most important parts of the video. Please watch carefully. First, turn on the printer and wait. When the HP logo appears with the Energy Star logo and the numbers from 1 to 8, quickly touch the HP logo 2 or 3 times. This will give you access to the printer boot menu. It is done this easily. Just quickly touch the HP logo. Now open the Administrator option. Now run Format Disk once. Then run Partial Clean. After that, go to the Download option and open it. Now open the USB thumb drive. Select the firmware file and press OK to start the firmware process. Now wait for about 5 to 10 minutes while the firmware file transfers to the printer. Now that the file is transferred, press the back button to reach the Continue option. Then select Continue and press OK to install the firmware. Now you need to wait for about 10 minutes while the firmware installs on the printer. The firmware is now fully and correctly installed. Now you only need to set the time, date, location, and some other options. This is very simple and does not need detailed explanation. You can follow along with our video. The process is successfully completed. Now, to make sure the printer works correctly, we will print a test page directly from the printer. Now the firmware update is complete and your HP LaserJet 500 MFP M525 is ready to work perfectly. Remember, always use a USB drive with the correct firmware files and do not put the files inside a folder. Be patient while transferring and installing the firmware. Do not skip the steps in the boot menu, and always follow each instruction carefully. Finally, check the printer by printing a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. Following these steps will help you avoid errors like 49.38.07 and 99.39.67 in the future. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more device doctor tutorials.